Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart4 Home. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Spectrum routers, the dreaded red light. If you're seeing this on your router, don't worry, we've got you covered with some easy fixes to get you back online fast. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Check connections. First things first, let's make sure all your cables are securely connected. Sometimes a loose cable can cause the red light issue. Step 2. Power cycle your router. Next, try power cycling your router. Simply unplug it from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can often resolve connectivity issues. Step 3. Check internet service status. It's also a good idea to check the Spectrum service status. You can do this easily using the Spectrum app or by visiting their website. Sometimes outages or maintenance can cause the red light. Step 4. Reset your router. If the issue persists, you might need to reset your router. Look for the reset button, usually located at the back or bottom of the router. Use a paperclip or similar tool to press and hold the button for about 10 seconds until the lights on the router blink. This will reset it to its factory settings. Step 5. Contact Spectrum support. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's time to reach out to Spectrum's customer support. They have dedicated technicians who can help diagnose and fix more complex issues with your router. Conclusion. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the red light on your Spectrum router and get back to browsing without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.